Oh, we just a practice. I can't practice. I can't practice.
I'm going to talk to her for the last time now. Because what you're trying to do is trying to lower my character. You're trying to, in a phony word, bring me down. You understand?
Rose slap up. Shanta on live after back talk.
Stop telling me blood clot lie before I mash up in them can't see you. Get her headphone!
Not at all pertaining to the youth then. It's not you have the youth then.
Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute up on the beat, and as you can see on the screen, it's not a good look, my people, and the kids are bad people. It's not a good look that stepdaddy is playing tricks with the dad. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because Jake is not here for it. You see man saying he's not going to allow Rosealee husband to disrespect him and downgrade his character. Because you know Rosealee said she did everything for 12 years and all of these things and things. You see man say, and you know say things they get kind of spicy what they are, because you know say him claims say Rosealee style him. So they say Akeem, you know, S up, because you know Akeem and him boyfriend Snow did him. This man say and figure it out and feel him boyfriend, you know, Jay. You know what I mean? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. People, I would hate to see Rosealee locked up for card cleaning, you know. As you can see on the screen, a bear that a go on, you know. And this is why Jake have to really look out for his kids, know that he's not around in the house. Him have these, I don't want to say what around them, but it's definitely not a good look. As you can see, Rosealee is back to her old tricks, dealing with her pitney them pan life a certain way. So it seems like she doesn't learn her lesson as well. But enough of me talking, people. Let's hear what these people is saying. If you want to continue to hear what Rosealee is saying, just go straight to the end of the video. But let's listen to Jake's reasoning, upon the reasoning. You see me? So let's do me a quick favor and just like and share this video upon our social media platforms, and let's get into it.
You see it? And now you have them, they're supposed to come to me about them. This name, what is name chat? I don't even know what this name is. What is name chat? Cutty. What is name?
A popcorn machine, my brother.
Okay. I don't know, you know. That's something them said. The ice go in here, sir. I must crush it out, go down, sir. And it come through here, sir. You see it?
Oh, I don't know that one.
Yeah. This name snow cone machine.
Yeah. Queen, big up, blessed morning.
Yeah, that. Thanks, big brother.
Hey, you just receive them.
A slushy machine. A slushy machine is.
Oh, man. For me, I know the popcorn one, but I see that everywhere.
Yes, I did that. And that's time I ask, you know, please. Just ease up. Just ease up. Yeah, so I'm saying I can't focus on my baby them. Because them we all live for, you know. And them we're supposed to live for. You understand? We're supposed to do a back and forth and say we are part and all them. It's the main thing, you know, brother. Me life, you know, the little man what you did, him not to say, yo, yeah, follow me up like say, yo, right. We're not supposed to follow up each other like that. We're not together. We're not together, so where are we? No, not even we. Well, we have to say we now because we end up having to start page, you know. We're not going to talk now. We have to say we now because we end up start talk now, but yeah. Where are we at each other necks like that. It shouldn't be supposed to be like that. Because we are not together. Turn it up. Perfect. Not supposed to be like that. Listen, I don't want to do them something, you know. But, you know, you understand worse. I know my thing. But it get annoying. It's very annoying. It get annoying right now. It's not, it don't get annoying to me alone. You understand? It been annoyed other people. It's been getting annoying to other people. You understand? So I have to talk now. We're not gonna make it look like me I kill this father, I mean this, I mean that, I mean I rate it, and you will spend all the money, and you will spend money this, and you will spend money that. Rosealee was always there to make sure say my baby them clean. You understand? Them get cook food, no box food. You come talk about some, could I get them food cook food. Home cook meal. You understand? I must make sure them clean. Of course, I wash clothes, me attack, and they're big enough, you can bathe themselves. But I want next thing to again too. Sure no star. Listen, because you know all about nothing neither, you know, so I have to talk, you know. People, from Shanta and Barbara born, the mother can count on one hand. How much time should be them? You hear that? You never talk, you know, because I say, what you call me? The amount of things you call me. Just change walk, content and clout and ray. The amount of things where you call me. The amount of things where you call me. And you know deep down in yourself, say, yo, you used to scanch, you know, change pampas. You know, make tea and them, you know, make feed, you know, make tea and them for something there. You know, do them thing there. No. You know, make tea and them, you know, make, you know. Me do all of them things with my baby growing up. When my baby, like say, yo, them in a hand, I always not my hand. Yeah. When my baby growing up, I always used to carry them hand and can't walk it. I always not my hand. When I walk come and see if you come ask. When I walk come and serve you, boy, yeah. Yeah. Anybody can willing to come, boy, and come do a question here. You're not afraid. Come on, I always talk it, you know. When you come and stoplight and say GX no safe. When you come and stoplight and say GX no safe, no matter what I come do. When you say GX no can, and you come out in the survey. From my baby them born and come out of hospital. Jakes them see with them baby there. With them for come get early morning sun bath and them look ray there. Me do them something there. You see it? Bring them in back, them hold them fresh, get them feed up. You know, go back and sleep again, we can give a bonus spliff. By the time we done smoke that weed at them again, so we have to go back in there, you know? Especially Shanta never sleep. Shanta baby, she never. Shanta, boy, Shanta, you didn't know so Shanta that come. Shanta, we don't really have, Shanta one different kettle fish than she a baby. A barber the nice one, you understand? But yeah, I just that. I know some sort of reason about it now, you start bringing back memories. We love them, they're big brother. Especially Shanta. The true share the first one.
Fish bad mind, dollar boy come practically.
Shanta, I done. Look at him, sit down. Oh no, I never had that time.
Broke this to pussy. What do you Shanta to be the troublemaker?
Okay. Big up, everybody, big up. I told me there, I feel say I can free made space, but that's something, yeah. Chat. Big man thing.
Clinic, my brother. Come on to clinic.
That's it. Yeah, man. Clinic. Yeah, I say clinic date. Of course, I'm not familiar with baby them. Every clinic date. Right now, they mix some shot. I'm going to bring them over there because they miss some shot. Yeah, man. I mean, baby them go to clinic, man. At all times. Every clinic date, I me bring them. You see. So we're not gonna talk about animals and them rape and some little idiots I go make vlog I come talk about you do this and you do that and whatever. So what about financially? And next thing financial, me used to work. I used to. Me is a debt collector. I'm a debt collector. I work in the collections department. You understand? And me send call the bailiff. Me no bailiff. Every time I say call the white people feel say I'm a bailiff. No, I'm no bailiff. And me call the bailiff. I made the person when call the phone and make you know say you owe. You need to pay up. You see it? I made the person when post a picture up on TikTok and say, pay me my money back. What you owe me? Yeah, me post them people. I'm one of the people that post them picture too. You see, that's the work that I used to do. Yeah, one of my co-workers them in the ramp for call me, yo, Beckford. You know, come right. People don't take call, you know. Because I'm good at my work. I can do my work. I'm good at my work. Very good for my work. Yeah, man. A loan company me used to work with. I still have co-workers still reach out to me. Because I want thing with me still not chat. It's like how when you respect the vibes and love the vibes. But as I'm not too talk much. I saw anyway I go people kind of take on to me see me. Everywhere place I'm going now. You understand? Co-workers still reach out to me. I remember say, in our loan company, most of females work in our loan company. Thanks to that someday. Most of females work in our loan company. XO. Hugs and kisses to you. So, yeah, I've been having great relationships with females without even getting intimate with them either. You see, so I don't know why me and my baby mother can't have a great relationship without having an intimate one. Mrs. Classy, yes, I'm a Capricorn. I'm born the 1st of January. I'm a Capricorn. Hugs and kisses again, XOXO. Yeah, I'm a Capricorn. 1st of January, I'm born. So, the violation every minute and the disrespect every minute, I go and like say, me are the worst. It's my father figure too. You understand? Do not do that to my father figure. Because you know my style. When I don't joke with my baby them. Thanks, I need this.
I'm not really sure for that.
So fit. Just calm down, man. They come talk about that stupidness them. And about me I give people and make sure me can buy 6 shoes them and whatever. Chat, somebody can come but 12 donuts please and 4 have at a mustache. And make sure say what? Buy 6 shoes. Where I talk about? Come on. You can't come in an argument with me about nothing I talk about the people them and you don't have to be with them. You don't have a children. You don't have a children, what the fuck? You don't have the kids, so or you come by for an argument with me. Some hat and mustache, please. Thanks, Cheryl. Never love alone. Yeah, paint that picture like someone not take care of my baby then. Six pair of shoes. 3 for Shanta, 3 for Barbara. I mean for buy 6 pair of shoes, it cover the 700 that she know you have planned for buy. And you know you can do better. So don't bother the stupidness. Don't bother with that, bro. Don't bother with that. Then we all live for you. Somebody can send an interstellar party and all, please. Check out the gift gallery for early. Yeah, so Rose, you live your life. You live your life. Take care of your baby then. I'm doing the same. Understand? Because I can't live my life without them. Them have to involve in my life. You get me? Them have to involve in my life, so I just that. I can't get up every day and I jakes. You know? You drop asleep and jakes, you wake up and jakes, you drop asleep and jakes. What are you doing? What are you doing? You know, so enough time over here, I'm still young and I have nothing for say, I have nothing for do, I'm still young and I'm alive. And I not ask, I chat, dying, and well want to hear me have to say something where we say, yo, reason about. No? Because I'm not gonna be that person who me and sit down and talk about my baby mother and oh she this and she never used to that and she never used to Ray and she this and that and no, why would I be doing that? You see this so pussy argument to share back come about. You see that? I get straightened up too. You hear that? Okay, so you shouldn't stop all that. Deep and this because basically I should know say no. Me ain't there. We don't need to argue. And people who care about each other argue with each other about things that them do. Because it's just true, I love you and I care for you. You understand? But business about what you do. I just we talk to you about it. I don't want to hear. So we argue about it. You understand? Me ain't do no more. We don't love each other no more. You understand? So if you continue and go upon your life, I go on like you want disrespect and not style me until you stop already. I don't want to hear. And if that continue, you have to get, you know, you have to find some way to make you stop. You understand? Remember, you know, we're not together. You don't care about me. Remember, and you talk it all the while. For you don't like a person, you stay far from a person, you talk about that person, you don't deal with that person. Remember, so you talk about your life. For you don't like a person, you don't want to hear about the person. You don't want to see the person, you don't want to talk about that person. So I like for you, please. Leave me alone. Because I'm not see you, I'm not trouble you, I'm not try to be a part of you. Not enough far my way, not at all. You get me? Somebody can come but 3 cargis, please. 3 Galaxy. Want a one flying jet out of the gallery, please. One flying jet out of the gallery. Yeah. I talked to her for the last time now. Because what you're trying to do is trying to lower my character. You're trying to, in a phony word, bring me down. You understand? When, John, you know your chat know, you're not so intelligent, Junior. You're not that bright. I ask no please to just calm down. You and your minions.
Put in the comment section if everything sound good. What Jakes was saying. It sounds good to me. You know what I mean? But like I said, no, we can't say what Rosealee is back to. Dealing with the pitney them affair. Yeah, just
Wait there.
See the right there, so.
Wait, take it up, give me. For mash up in them called CDO, SJ and far. And the whole works.
I know, I'm to you.
Let us have a top tell me lie. Oh, you mean have a
You never
headphone?
have it.
Pass it, give me give her it. Excuse the present for your son.
Yes, I'm a place and give him the headphone, and I don't have the headphone.
Hello, miss. Hello, let me get up to you because you're not going to like it. You let me come thump in your mouth. See, son, this is your mouth. Hey! Kayla, come for this. Come and tell us so when your mouth gets so nosy and bright, make me a fight. Make me a fight. We just put blood clot and now you're not argument out of your mouth. And me birth you. You got come here and make an egg girl. You want to step in your face? Never print me. Never print me. You talk in your mouth. You bust up your mouth. You bust you up. Oh. say? Me bust up your mouth. Oh. You get too tame from the one that they are ups. I like you to remember who me be. Oh.
Well, anyway, people, I'm not gonna longer this not longer, you know. So do the right thing and like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when we drop the latest story. Bless.